good morning. It's 5:21 a.m. So we're going for a ride. Bigyan natin si Kuya Andrew. It's too cold. It's like 15 degrees now. Yung pupuntahan namin baka mag-drop pa ng mga less than 10. So kapang winter clothings, we have our winter clothings on, and then mag-uumpisa kami dito sa saan ba to? Where is this again? Zayed Cricket Stadium papunta ng Alawatba cycling track. So my target today is to do more than 150 kilometers, or like a 4 hours to 5 hour ride in preparation for Al Salam Championship this coming January 18. So ganito pa tayo. So I need something on my ears. This is the one. Kasi mabilis tayong lamigin. So I have this. I think I gain weight because so keep yung heart rate monitor ko, and yung mga I will wear this one para makita nyo yung later, so that you guys can see the truck that we are going to. Kung ano yung sabi niya, kasi may cycling track. Actually pinagbigyan ko lang si Kuya Andrew, and then we were supposed to be how many guys? Like 5 guys including me. Pero dahil it's a working day, hindi sila makasama. Hindi nila kaya yung timing kasi long ride ang plan. Basically lang drawing. Let's hear the comment of Kuya Andrew later. Ready? Siguro iwan ko na yung wallet ko dito. On. So I will just try to do my zone 2 ride. My zone 2 ride. Like maybe my target heart rate is around, on average, maybe 130 to 135 if I have legs, or if pangit yung pakiramdam, chill ride na lang tayo. So I have my salt caps, and I'm trying this one from our sponsor. And one more 10, and then the rest is dates na baon ni Kuya Andrew. I have my shoes on. Baba. Okay, I need the vest. So I'll be wearing my vest also. Kasi parang lamig. So pag nag-meet yung dusk, tsaka dusk ba yun? Yung sun. Basta pag nag-meet yung araw tsaka yung umaga, yung gabi, yun mas malamig yun. I don't know, baka may fog rin. Vest on. I also have my pre-rides. Yeah, pre-rides. Some secret things that I drink before I do go for a ride because kailangan. Go out and get my bike. I will lube it with this one. I'm using the from Ceramic Speed. Parang trip on walk siya. Take you with me. This is the bike. Let's bring out the bike. So parang may event. I think there's an event because there's a lot of guys na nagpark dito sa area namin. It's a little bit dark, guys, so bear with me. Oh, nalagyan mo ng wax yung wheels. We did some final checks and we're good to go. Okay. Ano? Okay, good naman. By car. Ito natin si Kuya Andrew. Nasaan kape? Oh. Kita ka, hindi ka kita eh. Hi ka na.
Good morning.
Sabi mo yung mga yung mga...
Asan na kayo? Dexter, Popoy, pambihira kayo. Tutulog-tulog kayo, pambihira kayo.
Pagkain oh.
Andiyan na, pagkain. Andiyan. Puro doon. Andiyan yung cake.
Saan?
Beach cake.
Yung kape mo, nasaan yung kape mo?
Ito pinagay.
Asan to?
Yan. Kape.
Double check natin yung bike natin. Okay. Calibrate nga natin yung power meter. So, ride out tayo. It's 5:48 AM. The temperature is 14.8 Celsius. Oh! Oh! Malamig nga. Babagsak pa ng 8 doon sa Ruat ba?
Ano?
Oo pinakamalamig ko doon 8 eh. Tapos basa pa.
Ano pala? Yung truck.
Kung ano. Saan? Dito?
Ayun na yan ang bike lane bike lane yan. Para nang tulay. Kaya ang problema lahat or bike lane na. Tingnan ko over dito.
Dapat dyan tayo lumabas eh.
Saan?
Dyan oh.
Ay, ganun pa rin yung mas malambot dyan. Ganun lang po. Hindi kaya dyan.
Wala pa tayong bago na inner tube eh. Delikado tong diadaanan natin. Let's. The adventures of Kuya Andrew. Baka may pasukan doon.
Saan?
Doon banda na mas magandang daan.
Wala oh, sirado yun oh. Sirado yun lahat. Ito na. Wala lang problema. Ito yung lahat yun. Pwede mo lang mag-vlog. Ay, sa mama dito ha.
Kung saan tayo diadaan ni Kuya Andrew. Oh.
Ito na yung bike lang dito siya sabi ko. Yan, bike all the way na yan lahat.
Bike all the way daw to Kalawat ba?
Pero mamaya pag umaga dyan, ang ganda dyan.
So, first 20 kilometers in, so kahit tayo ng baon. Let's eat something. So, stats right now is this. Yeah. Still running in a small chain range. Warm up for 1 hour. Average power now it's around 207. Ooh. Average speed is 31.
Go!
Cadence is like around 86. So I think we're in Khalifa City. I really don't know. So most likely we are trying out the cycling lanes here. But the problem is the guys from here is not used to cyclists. So you need to take care when you use this route. But it's good if you're doing it alone.
when you don't have a group and you just want to train alone, this is a good route. Especially when you open the one from the city. Pedro! Wait lang! Mainit yung kasama ko. Kasi malamig. Meron na kaming hinintuan na isa kanina, isang... Until now, we stopped for one stoplight. There is one stoplight you need to pass. Oh, 30 kilometers in. We're in Alwat ba right now. Yun yung, this is the Sheikh Zayed Festival City, I think. The one in front. Told you guys. The temperature here is 11.4. So when we hit the desert, it could be much more colder. Yeah, bad trip yun, bad trip. So it's bright already, so expect it to be much more colder until the sun comes out completely. Ah, ganda. Up. Up. Puta. Mas maganda kung doon tayo sa highway. Sa Hill Bridge. Ah. Ooh. Lamig. Okay. So that's the desert. See you guys later.
Lumig!
Lumig. 40K in. Oh, alawat pa. Doon yung cycling track. Malayo pa, mga 10Ks pa siguro. But we're 40K in. It's cold. Now the temperature is around 10. Ooh. Kain tayo ng pagkain.
Kain na!
Guys, just a quick update. Track is not fully open. So going to the cycling track, or what was cycling track, you need to ride on the road. Oh. Naman tayo. Ha?
50 meter putol. Pero yan, tinitrain na mga ano yan, alat ko na yan. Ito, alat ko na yan.
Ay, kaysa tumawid ka dyan sa mga lubog.
Dito na.
So nung race, ganito kami ng race. Dito nila dito ate. Nasa likod kami. We thought it was tailwind. But the race is at naging ano siya, crosswind, headwind. So it's a battle of position. Yan, so yung karamihan ko malas dahil nasa likod, tas nagit-git dito. The issue is it's okay, but the problem is the cat eyes. See, that's the issue when it was one wrong move there and then you definitely fall down. Imagine, we are running like 45-50 kilometers per hour crossing headwind, and then you hit that one. I was talking about the Grand Fondo last year, 2025. Like last December, last month. Saan tayo?
Ako po kayo, okay.
Backline? See a truck. Group. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. A lot of cars. A lot of cars. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. I think there's an event. Ooh. May event eh.
Tara, siya.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you, sir? So we're inside the cycling track now. Fortunately, there is an event. There is an event, running event. Good thing we were able to come inside the track before they start. It's cold here. Temperature is around 10. Basically, we're in the desert. Or what ba desert? So 50 kilometers in. We'll do 1 lap, maybe 2 laps. Depends. 1 lap here they have 30 kilometers. 1 loop. We will do the 30. Oh! Woo! Shout out! Andiyan na 80. Naka 80 kilometers. 8 hour 82 kilometers now. 1 more lap and then shout out! Cycling team! Hey! Oh! Oh! So, guys, yeah, we're still in Alwat Bus cycling track. We did our first lap already. This is our second lap, and then we will go back. Yeah. Ooh. Yan, natunggots na ako. Tunggots na. Woo! Hirap mag-bike. Pag tinatamad. Ang hirap mag-bike pag tinatamad.
Pakutan mo lang ako tulog.
Ha? Bukas ulit.
Ano na ako gumagang dito.
Ha?
Bakit ako?
Bukas? Biyernes?
Ako ba do? Bukas sa kabila ko bukas.
Ha?
Ako, di ba tulog ride eh.
Bukas ulit.
Eh, si ano, Jack?
Wala nga, nagre-recover pa. Oh. Kasi yung semplang niya. Mga
Kasi
tat...
ano ko do kaliwa. Sana, mani.
Mamaya natin malaman yan pagka walang lamig.
Mani ba?
Walang lamig kasi, kaya parang pati sa akin manhid eh, lamig eh. Kain na natin ng morten. Huwag na. Meron kang gu dyan, di ba?
Ha?
May gu ka dyan?
Meron.
Kumain ka na.
Sama?
Hindi, ito, kakainin ko.
Meron ako.
Parang Jelly Ace. Oh.
Oh.
Ano yan?
Salt.
Punta mo yung salt cups ka.
Oo.
Oh, sikreto guys.
Surprise.
Salt cups. Pag nag-long ride kayo. Alam ko may magnesium rin to eh. Check natin next time yung. Let's check next time the ingredients from the bottle. I feel it, another version of me. Mamaya ulit. Kailan na tayo kaya?
Nakaano na tayo? Mamatay. Hindi lang. Hindi, you know, 105. 31 average speed.
105 kilometers. Oh.
Pauwi pa tayo, plus 45 kilometer pa.
Ha?
150 total.
150?
Hanggang sa ano yan, Crackle Stadium. Tara.
Relax!
Ay, ito.
So we have like 50 more?
50 more kilometer.
Black. Tangin. Buti nang ganito ako.
Kaya pala, hindi naman. Hindi ito kasi pa na ano.
Ay, tayo ka pala. Diyan ko may gagawin ako. Bibidyohan kita. Dali, may gagawin ako. Na, maganda. Dito tayo ka dyan. Iparking mo muna yung bike mo. Tapos, wait lang. Yan, sige dyan. Pwede. Ayusin mo. Dapat straight yung ayusin mo. Wait. Dito ka sa gitna ng bike mo.
Sa likod.
Tapos,
Champion to na bike sa alot ba?
ha?
Champion to na bike sa alot ba?
Ano no? Wala na kasi yung mga karera nun eh, no?
Itong bike na to sa alot ba? Champion to.
Tuturuan kita ng stretching. Maggaganito ka. Dapat ganyan, yan. Tapos, gaganon mo yung paa mo. Try mo. Hindi, try mo yun. Ay, nakuha mo yung ano ko?
Oo.
Wait lang. Ulit. Yung pinakita ko kaya. Sige. Flexible ka Sige pa, isa pa nga. I-atras mo pa yung paa mo. Tapos dapat, eto, 7. Yan, yan,
Ano pa? Kabiga. City.
Teka. Wait lang. Kabila, Flexible masarap no. Tapos sa kabila pa.
Sibol.
Yan, ayo. Yan. Tingnan. Ay! I-ano ko na lang siguro. I-mirror ko na lang.
Mainit na yan yun.
Hindi, malamig pa yan pag tumakbo. Lamigin kasi ako. Go. Let's go. 50 Ks. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Wala na iwan? Kuya? Traffic. Okay guys, 130 in. Wala kami konti.
Ito yan.
Kaya na. Let's go. So, this place is called Banyas. And then, After we pass through Banyas, I think we need to pass through Khalifa also. Okay, we arrived there in the cricket stadium. Na, 140 kilometers in. Sama ko.
Shout out! Short pa 30!
Meron pang, we have more like 10 kilometers more. Check natin yung temperature time. It's 11. So, the saddle time of 4 hours. Maybe around 5 hours. Depends. Okay. Ayan. Obstacles. Next time we'll do the we want to do a 250, 200. We will go straight for the Alcoa Milky Way and then come back here. Because that's 100 kilometers from Luwakba cycling track. Okay guys. Andrew! See you at 150 kilometers.
50 kilometer.
See you.
See you.
See you later.
Later.
In my dreams. Ito. No sleep.
Ulit sila kami.
2 hours of sleep.
Go sleep more.
Then waking up 4 a.m.
Nakailang oras tayo?
4
4 hours.
4 hours and 30 na.
Wow.
Up. Sagot kasi yung call na mo yung pinanglong ride mo.
Ayun pa.
Bakit?
Alas pa yun.
Ada. Oh, sige.
Ito yung panggas ko eh. Ito gamitin ko.
Sige na. Maya ulit. Dito tayo kuya. Dito muna tayo. Dito. Dito. 150 kilometers.
Dikit yan ba? Kanina. Yan, ano yun? Ha? Check.
So, ayan o, yung cricket stadium. And there's a event happening there now. May company event. Abu Dhabi Cricket Sports Hub. So, yung car namin nandito sa Buhang Ina. Alright. Let's check my stats. Keep changing. We'll check my stats.